My name is Mathias Wikström. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Doconomy, working out of Stockholm. The Priceless Planet Coalition is a beautiful idea around collaboration, a sector-agnostic approach, engaging the many in order to combat one of the greatest crises mankind has ever faced. I think it is inspiring to see that small companies, large multinational companies, across a whole list of verticals comes together and aim to collaborate to drive positive change. Working with Mastercard, we've achieved great results. One of my proudest moments was when Mastercard, early spring, implemented the Doconomy's all-on index methodology in their core platform for transactions, making every transaction count, carrying not only a monetary value, but also a CO2 emission score. We have been able to get to where we are, reaching, through our partners, over 360 million users across the world in 19 markets. We've done that by being able to stand on the shoulders of giants, to see far and to be seen by many.